and how are you today? If you want to go from 1 MOA to a quarter MOA or less, you have come to the right place. This here is a 1 3/8 inch X from an MR-63C F-class target for 300 yards. I used to only hit this baby at 300 yards less than 10 times out of 20 shots. But after all my load development and testing, I am now hitting this 16, 17, 18, and even 19 times out of 20 shots. Hence the channel name, Hit the X Reloads. This tutorial works, so just follow along, don't rush, and if your shooting skills and rifle are capable, you will accomplish this also. This video is for all current viewers and new viewers. This is an introduction to the revised edition of Reloading Series New and Fired Brass. I found this a necessary change as some time has passed since the older series and new methods and order of steps have changed. The equipment is all the same. For you new visitors, there is a companion website at hitthexreloads.com which has an abundance of information and a place to download the files that go along with this series. As with anything, as we progress, we learn new things. I will be breaking this down into segments, and the old series will remain available. I will be uploading each new one as it is made and will describe the tools that I use. I sincerely hope that this will help you all become better reloaders and learn all the aspects and reasons why following them is important. It took me years of testing and refining to come to these conclusions. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you want to become a member, get a Hit the X t-shirt, download files, or donate to help me help you, click the membership buy link below the video. Thank you for your time and hope to see you all subscribe and follow along in this learning experience. See you later.